Rakhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 10th NCERT, Chapter 6 Triangle. In this triangle chapter, we are very familiar in the class 9th. First of all, we will see a triangle chapter. What is the triangle? Triangles are the closed figure. Three-sided closed polygon is called the triangle. Three line segments. And triangle is named as on the basis of two things, on the basis of side and on the basis of angle. A triangle has three parts. One is called the interior part, one is called interior part, it is called on the, and it is called exterior part. It has three parts. It has three arms, which is line segments AB, BC and AC. Triangle has three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, here given. It has three vertices where the two line segments meet, A, B and C. On the basis of side, triangle is divided into three main parts. One is called isosceles, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, all the sides are different. This is all the sides are different. Isosceles triangle when the two sides are equal. And equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. On the basis of angle, triangles are divided into three parts. One is called acute angle triangle. All angles are acute. Obtuse angle triangle, one angle is obtuse. Right angle triangle, and this is right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. Because of ASPT, that's name it is given in class 9th as well as class 7th. Triangles are congruent. Congruent triangles are equal in shape and size both, means overlapping, like a two pages triangle or figure polygon. 2 pages of this diary is congruent, but one page of this copy book and this copy is similar. There are 4 congruency in 9th standard. One is called SSS, one is called SAS, ASA, AAS and RHS. Side, when two triangles, all the sides are equal to corresponding sides of other, they are congruent by SSS. Two sides and included angle of one similar equal to the two side and included angle of other, then they are congruent. Two angles and included side of one is equal to two angle and included side of other is also congruent by ASA. Two angle and any one side equal to two angle and corresponding side of other is called the congruent by AAS. Two right triangle, hypotenuse and one side of first equal to hypotenuse and other side corresponding side is called the congruent by RHS. Here figures congruent. Congruent figures is if exactly overlap. It is called the congruent figures. Rectangle will be congruent if, because their angles are equal, then their length is equal to length and breadth is equal to breadth. Then only congruent. Two rectangles will be congruent if their length and breadth will be equal. This is a rectangle. It will be a congruent only if it is 3 and it is 2, then it will be 3 and it is 2. Then it is congruent. Squares are congruent when the sides are equal. Sides are equal. These all the sides 1, 1, 1, then it will be also 1, 1, 1 or 2, 2, 2. Then they are congruent. Circles are congruent if their radii are equal. Two circles are congruent if they both have same radius. Only one variable radius is given. Congruent figure is a combination of two symbol. One is called this and one is called this. It is a similarity sign which is a S in horizontal. So it is a equal sign. So similar and equal. Congruent figures are similar as well as equal both. That's why shape and size are equal. But what is the similar figure? Similar figures are the figure which is shape is same, size is not necessary to same. Like two squares are similar if their sides are not equal. Two rectangles are similar if their length and breadth are not equal. Length and breadth are different. One has length 4 and breadth 2, one has length 2 and breadth. Angles are equal. Two circles are similar always. All the circles are similar. Why? Because their radius is different. If their radius will be equal, then they will similar as well as. Similar means same side. Two triangles are similar if their sides are different. Equilateral triangle. It is a equilateral triangles are similar. Or any other similarity, other conditions are given for the triangle, like a congruency, SSS similarity, ratios is here. So this is the similar figure. Taj Mahal, you know, the Taj Mahal is a similar figure. Here Taj Mahal, one you will get a photograph, monument of the Taj Mahal. In this case both are similar. Here these are similar, two congruent, two triangles are similar, two polygons are similar, two squares are similar, two circles are similar. Here you are seeing it is a Taj Mahal. So same thing, same size, everything is copied, but in the same ratio. So it is a similar figure. Here you are seeing all the congruent figures are similar as well as equal. I have told you. Two polygons have same number of sides, like a square, triangle. Two polygons of same number of sides are only similar if, first thing, there is a two condition. If their corresponding angles are equal, and the second thing, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Ratio means proportion, fraction. What is the first side with the second? First of the second figure, then second of the first, and second of the second have same ratio. Ratio means fraction, division. If the ABCD and PQRS are similar, it means angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, angle D is equal to angle S. AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to CD upon RS equal to AD upon PS. Two pair in line, first two, second two, third and fourth, first and last. This ratio you take, these will be always equal. Only these two conditions, both must be fulfilled. Then similar. Any one angle is not equal or side is not similar, then they are not similar. In this figure I have given one example. ABCD and PQRS are two figures given here. AB 444 square and PQRS is a rectangle 5454. Angles of both are 90 degree. So first condition is over. These angles are equal. But what about the second? AB upon PQ 4 upon 5. BC upon QR 4 upon 4 1. CD upon SR 4 upon 5. And AD upon PS 4 upon 4. One is giving 4 by 5 and two pair is giving 4 upon 4. So that's why two are not equal, two are equal. So what is this? They are not similar figure. They are not, by seeing you are seeing both are one square, one rectangle, but they are not similar. Both the condition must be fulfilled. Like this, it means any polygon is similar to each other only if they are two the conditions. First, corresponding angles are equal. Second, corresponding sides are proportional or in same ratio. Both conditions must be satisfied. Here the exercise of 6.1 is given in the figure. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the bracket. All the circles are congruent or similar. All word is given. All squares are similar. all triangles are similar, only equilateral triangles are similar directly. Two planes, polygons of the same number of sides, like this example, if all their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional, not equal. One is equal and one is proportional. I have given this. First similar, second similar, equilateral. First part A is equal and B is proportional. Question number 2 is given. What is the question number 2? It is given, give two example, different example for similar figure, non-similar figure. For similar figure, two circles, one radius 2, one radius 3. It is a similar figure. Equilateral triangles, one is small, one is big. It is a similar figure. Two example of non-similar figure. Two isosceles triangle are there. Both have side 2, 2, but base of one is 1 and one base has 3. Base are different. So it is what? Non-similar figure. Two equilateral triangle or two isosceles triangle. Two rhombus. One rhombus has 80 degree. Oh, both have same side. Sides ratios are same. But angles are different. One has 80 degree, one has 50 degree. So they are not similar figures. Similar and cut I have put. Third question is given. Two figures are given here. One is PQRS and one is ABCD. Both have sides are given and angles are given. You want to prove why and why not it is similar. These two angles, first of all you see the sides ratio. Angles are not equal, they are not similar. But sides you see 1.5 upon 3, 1 by 2. QR upon BC 1 by 2. RS upon CD 1 by 2. PS upon AD 1.5 by 3 means 15 upon 30 1 by 2. All the ratios are equal. But what is not equal? Their angles are not equal. Their angles are, one is 90, one is acute angle. Here one is obtuse angle. But here all are. So here it is angles are not equal. It means PQRS is not similar to ABCD because their corresponding angles are not equal. So that's all for today. In the next lecture I will explain about the theorem and examples of basic proportionality theorem. Thank you.